Does monkey bar activity help children with autism? Well, yes or no? Okay, I will get a little bit political here. This is one thing I really do not appreciate of the Doman technique. I'm saying that it's Doman of the video that I'm watching because I know those monkey bars. It might not be Doman that you're doing, but I know those monkey bars, so I'm mentioning this. They don't incorporate vision properly into their techniques. And first of all, no child with autism should be diagnosed with autism without a proper visual examination with a retinoscopy, but also to look at functional vision. So that being said, what you need to do is work with your child on vision. Now, to say that they're doing the monkey bar, which looks great, the vision is off the prize. Okay, so no, it's not great. When you're doing a monkey bar activity, and if you've done it through crawling, and I have a whole PDF on the mistakes of riding a bicycle and monkey bar, and so I can get that to you as well. But when you're dealing with monkey bars, you're actually seeing the eye on the prize. The child in question, there's no eye on the prize. It's this, it's this, it's this, it's this. And so that's why you're not seeing the increase of midline that you're looking for, because there's no visual midline. And if there's no visual midline, I can tell you there's no body midline. And that's where the confusions come from. And that's where children can be much more autistic, because their vision is actually messing up their functions that they need to do, more so than what's going on with their body. And you think it's a body-brain connection in that respect. So this is where we need to look at what's going on with his vision and break it down to see if we can improve that. Yeah, I was just talking about someone that the number one thing that is going away as we age is this. I'm telling you right now, if you want to save your brain, put your arms over your head and start doing something. Like my goal again is to do pull-ups this year. And that's where I'm working on now. With affluence, we don't do this. We're passing it on to our children. We don't roll down hills. We don't do cartwheels. We're not going into our spinning milestones from 2.5 to 5. And this is a big problem. We're not hanging laundry. We're not hunting, spearing. We're not doing those things. You know what I mean? Like I was out fishing this weekend, right? All these things are needed for our overall global development. And as we age or anti-age, if you're looking at any of the super agers, they have this feature that I'm talking about. But that being said, so what you're seeing is, yay, my child can do a monkey bar back and forth, wahoo. The way it is being done is still not a functional movement, and therefore it's not getting the effects that you're looking for. And that's why you keep doing it over and over again, and you're getting frustrated because you think, yay, A for effort, and you're not seeing it translate into the reading and writing and the things that you're looking for that should globally transmit to each other. And that's where the breakdown is. Thanks.